AI innovation in the sector is hugely important. It's set to revolutionise the way that drugs and medicines are and diagnostics are developed, to cut timelines down, to get drugs to market quicker, to get better patient outcomes, more accurate diagnoses, everything else. So when you look at this copyright reform, it's just one piece in a sort of bigger picture, but it's important that we maintain a good competitive environment here in the UK for this AI work to take place here and to let the life sciences community and economy thrive. So for me, and from the life sciences perspective, I think it's really important to seize on this opportunity with copyright reforms to make it easier and facilitate the ability of AI developers in this country to get better access to larger, more diverse and quality data sets to train AI models, to enable us to stay at the forefront of developments in pioneering new medicines, new treatments, and better personalised medicine for people in the future. So it's really important to strike the right balance, and it's not an easy one to strike, hence a lot of debate about it at the moment. I think the current regime for copyright in the UK is not really fit for purpose because it only allows for AI use of copyright works for non-commercial use. And a lot of the expertise lies at the moment especially in the life sciences sector, in the commercial and private sector space. So something does need to be done, so it needs a more pro-innovation approach, but not at the expense of the rights holders, the people who have the copyright works. It can't be just all or nothing. Oh, thank you. I think all the jurisdictions are struggling with this issue about how to deal with reforms for AI and copyright. But it's not to say that we can't learn from other jurisdictions, but ultimately I think we need to tread a middle ground, and something like the EU option with the opt-outs, providing the opt-outs are easy to do and cost effective and easy to administer, is the way forward. With any opt-out, we need to remember that 75% of the life sciences community are SMEs. They need something that's standard, cost effective and easy to implement. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So if I could recommend one thing to UK policymakers in this area, it would be to take a pro-innovation approach to AI developers, but to tread a middle ground so it doesn't unduly prejudice rights holders of copyright works. And ultimately something akin to the EU regime, which treads that middle ground and would be very welcome, especially as that would also help the harmonisation of laws across different borders.